Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate your account on Amazon Flex after it has been terminated. So let's get started right away. For this, you will simply need to use your Google account that you used to create your Amazon account in the first place, or any email service that you used to sign up for your account. Now, since I used my Gmail account, I'm just going to go ahead and log in to my Gmail account. After logging into your account, simply go ahead and compose a new email. Within the To section, just type in amazonflex-support@amazon.com, and within the Body section, you can simply explain that your account has been deactivated by mistake and that you wish to reactivate it. Then simply send your email, and considering you followed all of these steps correctly, you will receive an email from Amazon Flex with the steps required that you can follow to complete your account reactivation. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reactivate your account on Amazon Flex. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.